Sipaijala Wildlife Sanctuary, Vishalgarh, Sipaijala, Tripura.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma.
Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary, Bilonia, South Tripura.
Good morning, ma.
Jampui Hills, Vangu, North Tripura. Khunlang Eco Park, West Tripura.
Video not.
Boromura Eco Park, Tiliamura. Tepania Eco Park, Udaipur, Gomti, Tripura. Kalapania Nature Park, Kalachara, South Tripura. Durgabari Tea Garden, West Tripura. The government of Tripura has taken a comprehensive plan for promotion.
Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to our esteemed guests, faculty members, and participants. We heartily welcome you all to the final day of our faculty development program entitled as Exploring Technological Advances in Pharmaceutical Education and Research, being organized by Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology. It has been an incredible journey for 4 successive days, and finally, we have strolled into the day 5 of our EFDP session. On behalf of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology and the organizing committee, I am Pragya Datta, Assistant Professor of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, feel extremely gratified to welcome once again. We are fortunate enough to have with us today an accomplished speaker, Dr. K. Gautamarajan, who will be guiding us through an intuitive and discerning session. Now, I would like to request Mr. Shunirmal Bhattacharya sir, Associate Professor of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, to kindly grace our speech.
Thank you, Pragya ma'am. Ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Very good morning to our respected speaker, sir, our respected principal, sir, and all my esteemed colleagues. It's a great pleasure to honor to welcome you here all today. We have a great privilege of having Dr. K. Gautam Rajan, sir, with us. Dr. K. Gautam Rajan is working as a professor and head in the Department of Pharmaceutics, JSS College of Pharmacy, India. Dr. K. Gautam Rajan holds master's degree in 1996 and doctoral degree in 2007 from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. He developed and successfully implemented industry-relevant academic courses and created strategic ties with numerous pharmaceutical companies and universities for carrying out collaborative research projects. Engaged in teaching for postgraduate and research scholars. Also, he is involved in the formulation development of intranasal drug delivery system and nanotechnology. Last 2 decades, he has been working in the domains of optimized drug delivery using novel strategies. He is currently optimizing the customized drug delivery system for personalized therapy. He guided more than 50 PG and 16 PhD students. He is executing various government-funded research projects on Alzheimer's, colorectal cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and space medicines. He has received numerous funds from agencies like schemes like DST, SARV, AICT, RPS, DST, FIST, and ICMR. He is involved in collaborative research with Himalayan Pharmacy Institute, Sikkim, under the scheme of DBT NER as a principal investigator. He obtained interdisciplinary research funding from schemes like DBT Builder, DST Pursue, and SPARC. He is consultant for various pharmaceutical industries and has key involvement in technology transfer of drug delivery product of industries. He has brought himself global acclaim through several awards and allocates like C.V. Raman International Fellowship of African Researchers, multiple Best Poster Awards in national and global platform, BMS grant, and top world 2% scientist list in 2022, 2023, etc. He has earned over 150 publication in peer-reviewed journals, 5 books chapters, over 100 conference presentation, 23 patent application, and key involvement in each tech transfer of drug delivery industry. He is on the editorial board of over a score of journals and a reviewer of 60 high-impact peer-reviewed journals. A widely traveled scientist, he has shared his experiences, several prestigious forums, and invited like delivered in India. He is member of various committees such as member of PG Board of Studies of Pharmacy RGUHS Bangalore, Research Evaluator RGUHS Bangalore UG and PG syllabus framing under RGUHS. New Delhi DSTCRP Research Evaluator, DBT Research Proposal Evaluator, resource person for the various scientific symposium, editorial member and reviewer for a reputed journal, etc. And the life member of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Central Branch, Mumbai. We eager to learn from Dr. K. Gautam Rajavan sir and perceptive and engage with the inspiring ideas he will share with us today. Once again, thank you, sir. The stage is yours.
Good morning. Audible, ma? Is there
Yes,
audible,
sir.
ma?
Yes, sir. You're audible. Yes,
Okay, ma, I'll share my slides.
sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slide visible, no?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Not sharing, I think so. Shared, ma, already visible?
Sir,
It's
PPT is shared,
visible,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Hmm.
PPT. No, just. I think now visible, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Visible,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Shall I start, ma?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Good morning, all the teachers from various institutions. I think it is the FDP program. Before starting my comments of this particular future or next generation pharmaceuticals, my big thanks to my student as well as principal and most of my faculties in and around. I look at that name, popular names. So here I would like to thank all participants. Namaste, ma. So all the participants giving opportunity to share my little knowledge about what exactly we are doing in pharmaceutics and more than my 20 plus experience where exactly I acquired from JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty, affiliated to JSS Academic, this thing. So without further wasting time, I can start because the title is very, very important for young generation as well as where the people are working towards the research and development. Because this is the only title, what are the point introduced me. I received a lot of grants only because of this particular title, Future Pharmaceutical and the Preparation for the Next Generation. Because around more than 30 plus crores, we are handling that particular research grant, various platform. And not only that, we are a consultant for more than 15, 16 companies. And we produce a lot of good students like your principals. So many things. We did a lot of achievement only because of this particular title. I can say that. Because I am proud to discuss this particular title, how we can think differently in the pharmaceutical side. All right, most of the time we are thinking as a so traditional way of thinking that is a very difficult to understand this particular concept. What is the need base for current scenario in a national point of view? That is, I think, most of our research proposal and failure and most of our publication not accepted and most of our innovation we are not taking to the next level of IPR. So many things subjected to the matter. I feel this particular 20-25 minutes, my discussion, you can understand better because still there is a little bit technical clench. I cannot show a lot of videos and everything. Maximum, I'll try my level best using these particular slides. Yeah, the slide is very, very important point of view because now we have the mixed people generation in the college level. You can look at that our maybe someone we can comes under X generation, someone maybe Y generation, and we can some of the most of the student comes under Z generation. You think about such a manner that the generation is very, very important point how you are taking your activities in the department and or in the college level. So not only that, how you people are understanding, because for example, you are in X generation, your idea may not be suitable for Y and your idea may not be suitable for the Z generation. Because our complete idea is supposed to be we have to focus on Z and the next level of generation. Then only our research supposed to be more successful. Then only your research supposed to be entered to the commercial point of view. So that is the point repeatedly I'm telling that these particular concepts is very important. Just we can go through, there is a lot of article related to generation to the research point of view. So that is a point as a jovially I can put it here. If teachers cannot teach all the subject, then how could you expect single student to learn all the subject? This is the very, very critical, maybe jovially, but maybe you can think about very seriously what is their understanding. So what is their understanding about this particular thing? Because this is the really challenges how you are approaching your student. Because your generation to next level of generation, how people are understanding your thought process. It's a very, very different task when you are approaching the student. Maybe most of the teacher, you can accept this particular point. That is a thing, as an individual, you can think so differently how you are approaching your student. Not only that, how you are good administration to talk about your this thing, jet generation people. See, as a overall, my perspective, my understanding about overall pharmaceutical related problem, you look at that, 9 reasons why people, they don't like allopathic medicine. So you can look at that one by one, you can easy to. I'm not talking about other thing, it's superior or this thing. So since we are working on allopathic system, you can think about these 9 points, people are not liking allopathic system. You look at that side effects. Second, lack of perceived benefits. So knowing or reading about the people who have had the bad responses about the medication. Fourth one is costly, that is expense. Drug interaction for fear of them. Sometimes most of the people allopathy mixed with other traditional way of medication. That is myth about that. Lot of interaction between the herbal and this thing. There is either science or not, but overall phobia about that particular drug interaction and difficult regimen. How supposed to be right way of regimen supposed to be followed during that particular prescription. After given the prescription, how many people really follow the prescription is the question mark. Forgetting about take them that particular prescription of medication recommended by the doctor. Difficult for swallowing. And finally, needle phobia. Because still most of the emergency medication in allopathy, we are working in the injection dosage form. So these are all the 9 reasons you can think about. That is a very good scope. You can bring it as a very novel drug delivery system, put it in the market. See, this is the one of the concept. Recently, we started in associated with the government of India. And again, ISRO, we started this thing, customized drug delivery system concept for astronauts, space medicine. So meanwhile, other forum, if time permit, I can talk about more on the personalized medicine related to astronaut medication, what type of novel packaging system, all the things. Because here I cannot take it. There is a very big task to talk about that particular personalized medicine to the astronauts. So you can think about at least student point of view. You can think about even some of the young faculty can look at that. Surprisingly, most of the iconic product available, iconic beverages or product available in the market invented by pharmacists. You can look at that because already we are inbuilt art of science. So you can look at some of the example, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and even this thing, electricity, so many people. And recently, there is a markable artemether, that is an anti-malarial drug invented by pharmacology pharmacist. You can look at that. What are the tremendous things available in the market? You can look at that. But obviously, we are working towards the novelty and the innovation part. That is the point I would like to say here. Second, again, I given the 9 points to take up next level of our research. You can easy to understand. You can think about even 2000, 7000 years before. There was a problem. A person supposed to be suffering from headache or maybe head-related problem or neurological problem. No? Generally, they will take it the patient to the this thing, traditional practitioner, maybe Swamiji or something by the time. So most of the time, what they will do, suppose even normal like headache, there was no medication by the time. People understand it is all the relevant to the bad evils. So bad type of energy. So most of the time, what they will do it now, will put it the small nail on your forehead. So that you cannot imagine this type of treatment supposed to be possible in the jet generation. Am I right? So where we are now. So after 7,000 years, I taken one modern therapy where exactly people are suffering a migraine. So people are suffering from the migraine. People are taking the same medication. This is a classically, generally, I look at this particular point of view. Still that way of development, you can look at that 7,000 years before and till what we are exactly we are. So I can put it the simple question, is it any development happen in the pharmaceutical science? You think about it. So where is the lacuna? So where is the novelty supposed to be missing now that you have to think about seriously? I think this slide maybe trigger a little bit about how we can move towards the novel, how we can make it the better formulation to the patient's point of view. So that we have to think about always your application, always your novelty, always your publication patterns, whatever you can put it under academic side, it is a very good impact in the public side. You can look at that best example now, we can enter the subject side. So various dosage form available in the market. You know that it is starting from solid dosage form, liquid dosage form. You look at that, at least from your heart, you can let me know that anyone you can like this particular dosage form available in the market. So better example, I can put it here, traditional way people are taking Chyawanprash, no? It's a very tasty. So most of the time people used to taste that particular. So likely any dosage form available in the market, so more palatable taste. So very, very traceable dosage form available in the market. That itself indicate what will happen now. We are not in the point of need-based dosage form or customized dosage form is a failure model in the allopathic system. That is the overall my comments on poor acceptance and therapeutic efficacy. So just you can look at that, this particular, could you find out any mistake in particular this thing, even physical discussion, I can take it a lot of exercise. So look at that, what is the mistake you can see? So immediately can look at this particular this, it's very difficult. That is the thing. Whenever we are reading the literature, whenever you are reading commercial review, all the thing, no, we missed so many parts. Even you could find out, you have able to find out one particular mistake from the existing market formulation. So you can bring it, a lot of innovation we can bring it. That is the point, is one of the best example I can put it to your pharmaceutical. See, we are giving the case study, our pharmaceutical people, they will make it a lot of dosage form. That is a thing. More than couple of product we launch and more than pipeline of we are developing a lot of product and waiting for industry point of view. That we can bring it your side also. That is the thing I would like to request this particular point. And the second blank question, whenever you can put it this particular blank question, your first attention on the black dot. So that is our most of the time. It is not a philosophical point of view. Most of the time, wherever, whatever organization, you can find out only finding faults. So that is a major issue. Even that is a failure model for your research. Whenever you are looking, you have to find out there is a lot of scope for white space. So always we are thinking about only black spot. So that is the only thing we have to come out that particular mindset. We can go further. Excellent innovation supposed to be can bring it to the market. Yeah, some of the example I can think about that. Now we can come across in the market side. See, because of this particular 9 fact related to the failure model in the allopathic system, people, they started working towards in industrial point of view, chewable films you see. That is an excellent marketing strategy, more than billions marketing worldwide. Not only that, student point of view, even paracetamol tattoo dosage form available 350 milligram and as well as 160 milligram tattoo dosage form available. It is more attractive dosage form for below 18 people. Even some of the transdermal, excellent dosage form, but you know that what is the limitation of transdermal, because there is a main barrier of stratum corner that can be easy to overcome using microneedle. And recently we developed and we are seeking the commercialization of nano needles, transdermal patches. You can, without pain, what will happen? Destruction the stratum corner, the drug, even including protein, can be easy to enter the systemic circulation. Likely what will happen? The painful injection can be replaced by using jet injection. Most of the people might be read this particular advancement of next generation of injection. So likely what will happen now, you think about little bit better manner spot drug delivery system, more on your proposal, and moreover, add in the syllabus, and we can ready for next generation of pharmaceuticals. These are the some few example I given based on the time constraint. Yeah, before entering our real subject point of view, you can look at that. Sometime what will happen, which one is real, which one is need-based. So you can look at the some of the example I given here. It's a regular, maybe jovially, but we can think so differently. If walking is good for health, most of the people telling walking is good, but a postman would be immortal, am I right? So where that swims all the time, only eat fish and drinks water and is so fatty. A rabbit only eats vegetable and runs hops all the day long and only lives 5 years. But tortoise does not run and does not nothing energetic, yet it lives 450 years. So a little bit differently we have to think about. This is maybe jovial, but whatever research you are bringing to the public side, need-based. So what is the reality? What is the practical point of view? You can think about, then we can bring impactful proposal. Not only I'm not talking about research proposal, we can bring innovative product in the student forum. You can bring at least low cost, we can bring it the innovative product to the public side. Think differently. So now what is the major challenges? Even we cannot think about, even still our syllabus support more on so traditional and old concept about tablet technology, old concept about capsule technology. Now the world completely, totally different. So your pharmaceutical science completely translated to the digital pharmaceutical science. Next generation, AI based and a digital embodied the tablet. All those things already approved by US FDA and even some other product approved by Government of India. So once you have that particular knowledge, automatically you can think next couple of decades, you can think about your research, you can think about your career perspective point of view, placement, everything based on this particular digital health revolution. So this video not supporting, anyway, free time I can show it all. Yeah, now how to prepare for future pharmaceutical side. 6 incredible trends which shape the future pharmaceutical industry. First one is empower the patients. So this is a very, very important whenever people are talking about empower the patient. Is a very important, is a great scope in the future pharmaceutical side, augmented and virtual reality. That is the second segment I can put it here. Anyway, we are discussing the small segment we can easy to understand. Such a manner that all the faculty member or maybe sometime principal also, we can enrich this particular strategy in the department. Now, then future next couple of decades, you can well verse and you can meet global scenario. So 3D printing. வெளியில போக சொல்லுங்க எல்லாத்தையும். So fourth one is 3D printing. That is most of the people you can look at the 3D printing. What is the 3D printing? How 3D printing utility for pharmaceutical industry and body sensor. But most of the time medical side people are using a lot of body sensor. How body sensor people are utilizing in pharmaceutical science side. And finally, artificial intelligence. That is no doubt. Next couple of decades, people are working routed through, including regulatory, including pharmaceutical science, including manufacturing system, including education system. People are utilizing AI-based system already started. You have to train in such a manner that automatically you can challenge us next couple of decades. That is my humble request from this particular forum. Convey this particular message to all the faculty and the student forum. And all these things supposed to be available in the commercial side, then how regulatory challenges. So regulatory challenge is very, very important because empower the patient to artificial intelligence, no such guideline as on that available. How to deal this particular technology incorporated in pharmaceutical science side, not only academic, in industry also. So there is a great scope. You can think about what is the best regulatory to challenges all those future pharma challenges as well as fusion advancements happen in the next generation. Yeah, this is maybe student point of view. After my talk, maybe you become a mad. No other option, you have to challenge us. Yeah, first we can think about empower the patient because this totally we forgot about. Any patient, counseling is very, very important. How love and affection you are approaching the patient is very, very important because being a target patients as well as corporate culture, this particular empower the patient completely null. So that is one of the things we can dream of. This is so traditional. We don't want any extraordinary technology related this particular. Empower the patient is very, very, that the educate the patient is empowered, that empathy, love and affection, that generally people are talking about more in pharmacy practice side, that really we have to bring it. This is a really workable formula for next couple of decades for future pharmaceutical sites. So next point I can think about augmented and virtual reality because wet laboratory model completely gone now. Even our own university, our own this thing, all the simulation inbuilt, more than 20-25 crores inbuilt, all the augmented technology already we incorporated both pharmacy and medical, dental, because that is more impact on learning process. Otherwise, what will happen? Most of the time we are wasting more time in the regular traditional curriculum based practical. Most of the time we are not in the scope for learning and we are not ready for future pharmaceutical side, future pharma industry side. That is the thing what I'm telling. At least you have to little bit knowledge. I'm not expert on how to teach augmented all the thing, but this all the technology we can incorporate it in the pharmaceutical, both academic and the industry side. Already most of the industry people, they started even including the research and development side. Most of the abroad university already people started simulation point of view, all the even tablet technology, we can go for augmented virtual reality, better manner we can understand, rather you can talking about 1,000 pages book for teaching for whole year. Understood clearly, no? Student point of view, I can talking this particular point. At least I'm requesting all the faculty member, you have to train augmented and virtual reality, including AI based, better shaping our student for the future industry side. So some of the interesting video missing out. Yeah, this is the point. Already we started in the Department of Pharmaceutics, UT, simulation, all even coating, tablet technology, bilabel tablet, even including the nanoparticle preparation, everything on the screen, computer-based simulation. Then once the formula is supposed to be set right, we are taking that particular proportionate, we can go for the further formulation development. This is called as computer simulation in pharmaceutical side. The same computer simulation available for the medical, both the foreign university as well as Indian university already implemented. Full-fledged people are working in the medical side. But very few institution like computer simulation is not too costly. But how you are managing this particular trial base, how we are incorporating in the department, chemistry, pharmaceutics, already pharmacology people, already they started, I think, so pharmacognosy, research and development, filing regulatory application, all those things now computer simulations are available. This system what will happen, even they can work, students are mobile on work in free time, now they can understand better manner, rather high contact teaching in the classrooms. I think it's running or not, I don't know. Because not supported. Okay, can move next slide. Yeah, next very important. Is there any genuinely customized medication available in the market? Best example I can put it, most of the forum I'm talking about both national, international side. Are you getting right dosage form, right dose anytime? Because best example I can put it in the market side, 500 milligram available in the paracetamol, am I right? So how many people really the 500 suitable dose for you? Is it your dose? Most of the time, maybe your dose may be 450, maybe your body weight and surface area, maybe your dose may be 325 milligram. But general dose available in the market. Everyone knows that allopathic system excess dose leads to side effect and adverse reaction. But knowingly we are eating genobiotic, that is a poison, am I right? So that is the concept people are working. Any research towards genuinely customized medication. But as on date, no such medication available in the market, genuinely customized. That concept is very simple. Right patient, right drug, right dose, right time. So once we can work out this particular towards the concept, no, future challenges, most of the challenges can be taken out. So this particular concept, we have to incorporate in academic and as well as research probabilities. So this is the success story of already one particular company. This particular drug, what I given, the first 3D printed drug approved by US FDA, because this is a group population side they create and now they are supplying, already approved by US FDA before COVID, this particular. It is a success story of 3D printing. But how customized delivery? Suppose I need a 350 milligram. So only 500 milligram available in the market. So even a retail medical shop, what will happen? They will print and give you a dosage. So based on the prescription, your dosage form such a manner calculated. So there is a lot of other concept there, how we can decide the dose for you. Customized dose, maybe 325 milligram. Readily what will happen? The paracetamol print and give it. This particular research already started. So we are the pioneer for making the 3D printing dosage form in associate with a lot of engineering college. We are working, a working formula already we made. Not only that, AI-based cosmetics also we started from the department. Anyone supposed to be interested to learn such a manner that you people come forward, we can teach all the better concept, how to proceed your future pharmaceutical. There is a great scope in industry side. It's a very, very important point. You can think about the same paracetamol tablet, you can embed it with the chip. That is a biodegradable chip actually, because this is a main problem patient complain. Really the patient consume the medication or not. Doctor always doubtful about the given prescription, really they followed or not, because the chip give the signal to the mobile or health provider or maybe in the controlled manner without crime, no? The cyber crime, so many, all the thing. Now already they design such a manner that your drug really working or not, doctor come to understand all the thing. So this all the thing nowadays available, because this all the big subject, free time you can discuss about all the thing. And based on this particular concept, already one of the particular group, they started the future drug delivery system based on the successful story about genomic project. You know what is the genomic project? We can understand when you are going to get the disease, when you are going to get diabetics, all those things. You know, the disease related gene already identified, which age is supposed to be are going to challenge that particular disease. So now what will happen? Your early would also, we can embed this particular cartridge inside. So whenever that signal is supposed to be no protein signal or enzyme signal or any biomarker signal, based on that, your drug is supposed to be automatically released. So what is the advantages of this particular automatic release cartridge? So anytime what will happen, rushing to the hospital and emergency, all the thing can be avoided. This already the people started in UK and Canada. So this is the next 2 decades, people are working towards this particular future drug delivery. These are all the hints I'm giving. You can understand. So such a manner that you can plan your desiccated this thing, bioengineering point of view, you know, you can challenge us all the future pharmaceuticals. Yeah, next, till now we are talking about drug-related side effect and a customized, genuine customized drug delivery system. Is there any concept without drug? Is there any possible we can go for the medication? Yes, already 30 plus drug already approved by US FDA, that is called as bioelectronic medication. So it doesn't have any drug. But these signals, what will happen? This electronic signal or maybe electrical signal, what will happen? Stimulate your neuronal system and hormone release, such a manner that what will happen? Naturally, what will happen? Your body supposed to be will be repaired. So such a manner that already the success story about Alzheimer's disease and all the neurodegeneration disease disorder, people are utilizing bioelectronic medication. So what is the advantages? We are talking about adverse reaction side effects that cannot be only related the particular material side effect people are talking about in the regulatory. Otherwise, I can say that zero side effect medication available in the market in future. Already available, future only this type of medication. Suppose people are working all the diseases nowadays. Okay, like that people are working on bioelectronic medication. So this is a great scope for the student, for the research. I don't want to say much more about artificial intelligence because the generation, well, without mobile, you cannot survive. Am I right? Student forum and including teachers forum. Without mobile, is there any survival? That is all controlled by AI. So whatever our based on the mood, what is our interest, everything supposed to be on the screen. That is the thing. We are spending more and more time on screen again, either mobile or computer, laptop, whatever. That we cannot blame on the human. This is the evolution. So next couple of decades, what will happen now that AI is supposed to be deciding factor of human being again. So automatically what will happen, our future supposed to be, you have to learn more about, understand, then only management of AI is supposed to be possible. I'm not against AI, I'm not supporting AI, no other option you have to learn. So like water management, you have to manage AI system, then only next to God, what will happen, you have to believe only AI, then only your future is supposed to be such a manner that you have to design. Your both academic, research, curriculum, perspective of your future placement, anything deciding factor is AI. So these all the challenges, these all the new challenges entered to the market side. So one another manner, that's a particular point, what will happen now? So what is the transformation of regulatory resonance? So regulatory affair transformation bring you in the future, because if you have more interest, sir, I know how to regulate this particular AI, I know how to regulate this particular body sensor, I know how to regulate then you are the pioneer in the regulatory. Because most of the college offering M.Pharm regulatory affair course program, I think you can think better manner, what type of guidelines supposed to be. Even Government of India, CDSO also seeking some of the support from academic side. Already we are working with the medical device with the CDSO, successful story from Department of Pharmaceutical. Already that guideline only reflected in the CDSO for regulating medical device for conducting clinical trials. Such a manner that I'm requesting all the student and staff member, you can think aligned with the future pharmaceutical, what type of regulatory guidelines support to manage all type of future pharmaceutical side. So there is a very good scope in. So some other people I don't like, prepare the dosage form, you can come to the point of dry laboratory for regulatory like IT field. It's a very booming, already started AI-based regulatory. Most of the company like GSK, Pfizer and all, already they are seeking only AI-based regulatory guideline. So this all the success story. What are the point I told now? This is my experience really happening in the department. Even that evidence, I can say that you can interact with your principal. He was my student of 10 years before. So there we started all the concept. Now we are in the pioneer of all the future pharmaceutical challenges, because that based on this particular concept only funded by Government of India. Even I told a small recently we associated with the ISRO and IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, and again Newcastle University for microplastic. All the future pharmaceutical we are working in the Department of Pharmaceutical. So not only that, there is not a self-appraisal. This department is a role model for all the future pharmacists. Anyone we can come forward, anyone you can come forward like symposium, international or training, short-term training, even including regulatory. We are the first person we started inform regulatory in India. So such a manner that you people come forward, you can take it that particular knowledge that you can translate your industry, translate to your academic side, you can strengthen your finance part. So that is the point we are helping all the people. So that is the thing our center is called that to establish the patient-centric center developing customized regulatory. This particular concept funded by Government of India. That is the thing our department recognized under government DSC FIST, DBT Builder, DSC PUS. So this all the recognition already happened. So this is not only restricted in Ooty. Already we started exploring this particular concept throughout the India, not only national wide, global wide. We are exploiting this particular point of view. People are learning and people are doing a lot of miracles. So once again, on behalf of everyone, I can invite you. You can come and learn some of the thing, either virtually or maybe physically. You can come anytime. You can come. So I can help you such a manner that we can shape your future pharmaceutical to challenge the next couple of decades. So I am expecting little bit butterfly effect. You know that butterfly effect? So if it is the physical, I can explain. Butterfly effect, even butterfly wing starts, New York City is supposed to be distracted. You can go and read, you can understand. So how butterfly, the wings shaken, New York City is supposed to be distracted. There is a concept. So people are indirectly, people are telling your effort come from your side, full-fledged effort supposed to be come from your side. Then automatically everything supposed to be miracle. So that is called as butterfly effect. You can think about, you can easy to understand. So jovially I can today, this is your future challenges. So there is a lot of generation, how you are coping the generation, your Z generation, X generation, because Z generation is a highly well-defined, challenging for future, but only thing, right way of stuff we have to give it, like youth, capitalism, socialism, blend people are there in the Z generation. So even my age is supposed to be now how much I can cope up with the generation. That is the thing, there is a lot of conflict between student and staff and as well as management side. This is supposed to be normalized. This is a very, very important. I would like to convey this particular slide for you. It's a very, very important. We can start your future challenges. Thank you, ma. Any interaction or something, then I can discuss. So time also very important. I promised 20-25 minutes, I completed. I don't want to take your valuable time. So any interaction, let me know.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, please, ma.
Sir, actually, may I ask you one thing I would like to regarding bioelectronic medicine.
Please, ma,
May
what is
we
it?
call it, regarding bioelectronic medicine.
Yeah.
May we call it like placebo type, anything, something like that?
No. When
because-
you are talking about drug comparison, placebo terminology people are using in the clinical trials. Am I right? When you are talking about paracetamol, either really paracetamol is working or unlikely paracetamol working, then placebo word is usable. Am I right?
Yes,
Placebo
sir,
is
yes,
not a
sir.
medication. Am I right?
Yes, definitely.
Bioelectronic, we are bringing the concept itself, treatment of disease and disorders. That is not a placebo.
Okay.
It is a
Got
very
it, sir.
regulatory point of view I am talking about. Placebo always it is a shadow.
Okay,
But
sir.
bioelectronic
And
is the original medication.
original
Instead of
medication.
using API, we are using electronic signals. So electronic
Okay,
signal
right.
is API.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's a very critical question. Now I am thinking. Better manner. Thank you, Malik, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think people are understanding a little bit. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
There is a little constraint. Virtually, I am talking now. My gesture and everything you cannot understand. So maybe you can understand a little bit concept. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for such an insightful presentation. It was really engaging and informative. Now, with your permission, sir, I just want to ask our participants if they're having any question. Now, I will request Dr. Professor Shubhashish Devnath, sir, Principal of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology. Please present the certificate virtually to our speaker.
Thank you, Ms. Pragya. And first of all, my humble pranam to the feet of Dr. Gautam Rajan sir.
Thank you.
Sir is
Thank
the
you.
inspiration for me to do M-Pharm Pharmaceutics.
Yeah.
I remember the classes of Dr. Gautam Rajan sir and also Dr. Ravichandran sir. And they used to
Yeah,
teach
yeah,
us
yeah. Used to be,
pharmaceutics in
yeah.
whatever the things I teach to my students, I always remember Sir's face. Sir was the inspiration, and till today, whenever I get any doubt in my life, sometimes I call Sir and I ask, and he is really a very good mentor for me. And thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and delivering such a wonderful talk where you are taking us to the personalized medicine, then the sensor, body sensor, how it will helpful, and also the artificial
Yeah.
and also the other faculty members, those who have joined it, they will really get benefit from that, and they can also think that how we can write research articles and also projects based on this, so that it will be helpful. Thank you very much, sir, again for
Thank
accepting our
you, my
invitation
dear.
and for
Given a great opportunity. Today is a great honor. The certificate received from your side. That is, as a teacher, this is a proud moment. Thank you. This
yes, sir.
is, I
Yes,
feel,
sir.
is a great award for me. I have a lot of award. At least I feel a very proud moment. At least I received award from your side. No. So on behalf of everyone, my sincere thanks and a big thanks all the people. Ma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ma.
Yesterday, after seeing the certificate, I was telling how it is. I am signing on my teacher's
No,
certificate.
no. No, that is my proud moment. At least people are across doing the service. No, teachers' service is great. So I am
Yes.
requesting on behalf of everyone, all the teacher, we can just, whatever the need base, just we can contact. I can arrange all the arrangement for the research and development side. Thank you, my everyone. Thank you. Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Gautam, thanks, Katadev.
Pragya
Pragya
madam, you are
madam,
in mute.
unmute yourself.
Now, I request Mr. Shurojit Shah, sir, Assistant Professor of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Pragya Madam, sir. Pragya Madam, it's my privilege to having this opportunity, and we are really excited and privileged to having our Gautam Rajan sir in this FDP program. We are really very much thankful to you, sir, as because you have spending a very valuable time for us.
12:30.
Sir, you in today's program, you wonderfully explained regarding personalized medicine, the biosensors, what are the future drug delivery systems, as well as the bioelectronics medicine, AI, what are the usefulness of this. Hope all the participants get benefited, as well as we are very, the session was very much informative. On behalf of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, we hope in future also, we having you in our programs. I would like to congratulate the whole team of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology for nicely organized this program, this EFDP program successfully, as well as all the participants for stay tuned with us. Thank you everyone for being with us, and I hope in future also we will organize such presentations and programs. Thank you everyone. Thank you Shubhashish sir. Thank you our organizing team, our scientific team, our all the participants, as well as everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. With this, we are concluding our scientific session and we are going to start our valedictory session at 12:30. So I will request our participants to rejoin at 12:30 again, and your attendance link will be provided for the valedictory session in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Tripura is a small but picturesque state in northeast India. To its north, south, and southeast, Tripura has an international boundary with Bangladesh, which is about 856 km, while to its east, it shares a common boundary with two Indian states of Assam and Mizoram. Total area of the state is about 10,491.69 square kilometer, out of which 60% area is hilly and forested. This panoramic tiny state is inhabited by 19 ethnic tribes, Bengali, Manipuri, and other communities. Tripura is blessed with scenic beauty, ancient places, temples, museums, breathtaking verdant hills, and checkered historic past. Tripura offers a plethora of delightful attractions, cavalcade of historical places, rock-cut carvings, stone sculptures, Buddhist and Hindu holy places, wildlife sanctuaries, and tribal people. Poet laureate Rabindranath Tagore, an honored guest, found its pollution-free, co-friendly environment, pleasant climate, and tranquility the perfect retreat to compile some of its works here. Blending into the hills and valleys, the villages are a tapestry of rich ethnic traditions. Tripura State Museum, Ujjanta Palace. Constructed a little over 100 years ago in 1901 AD, this Indo-Saracenic building is set in large Mughal-style gardens on a lakefront. Nirmahal Water Palace. The palace is a picturesque fairy tale royal mansion located in the middle of the Rudrasagar Lake, a Ramsar wetland, which is 53 kilometers south of Agartala. Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya built the palace in 1930 AD as his summer residence, being inspired by Mughal style of architecture. Unokoti means one less than 1 crore. It is a Shiva pilgrimage attraction and dates back to 7th to 9th centuries AD. The site consists of several huge vertical rock-cut carvings on a hillside. Pilag is a place for its archaeological remains of 8th to 9th centuries. The place is a treasure house of Buddhist and Hindu sculptures. Recently, after denudation of a natural forest area, ruins of a brick-built building emerged in the northwestern part of Shunamura subdivision on the edge of the border with Bangladesh. More excavation of the site will unearth the hidden story. Chobimura, it is famous for its panels of rock carvings on the steep mountain wall on the bank of Gomati. There are huge image carved of Shiva As a result, domestic and foreign tourist flow and revenue earnings in this sector are likely to increase. যেন ছবির মতো আঁকা, খুব যতন করে রাখা, যেন চির হরিৎ পাতা, এই হৃদয় জুড়ে গাথা আমার সোনার ত্রিপুরা, আমার সোনার ত্রিপুরা, আমার সোনার ত্রিপুরা, আমার সোনার ত্রিপুরা।
A very good afternoon. Once again, I welcome you all for the valedictory session. Since today is the final day of our EFDP session, we encourage every participant to share your thoughts, feedback, and experiences during this discussion. Let us make this day as engaging and collaborative as possible. So I request our participants to unmute one by one and kindly share your valuable feedback with us so that it will be beneficial for us to upgrade our upcoming FDP session in the near future.
Please unmute them. I think they can't unmute themselves. I think Anamika madam is there.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you are
Yes, ma'am.
audible.
You're audible.
Ma'am, I would like to congratulate the whole team of the FDP development program for taking this opportunity, and especially the technical team, sir, which always helping to go through this session very thoroughly without any interruption, and the speakers which will give the worldwide applications which will help them to motivate the teachers as well as students. Heartily congratulations to the organizers and the speakers, sir, especially the speakers that they will that they will in future also share their knowledge. As a teacher, we all are engaged in our very scheduled opportunities and very scheduled responsibilities. We also need to be updated to give knowledge to the students. So it's a very fruitful and knowledgeable and informative development program. Thank you, sir, for this very innovative and knowledgeable development program.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Is anyone up for sharing?
Pragya ma'am, someone asking you
Yes.
to unmute herself.
Just a minute, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Whatever the sessions you have conducted, you are organized very well, ma'am. And the information by the lectures, it is very good. Whoever the lectures have given that are very good, and it is very nice, and the knowledge has been gained by us. Please conduct the sessions like this. We are going to be attend the sessions very much, and it is very fruitful to us. And it is good, ma'am. Very well organized. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Geeta, alumni of JSS College of Pharmacy, and I'm happy. Like, it's a great teamwork, and I appreciate all your team effort, and also the way you have organized is really amazing. And like, we are happy. Like, I was doing, I heard like your principal sir is also from JSS, so happy to see you, sir. And I am Dr. Badami sir student. I have completed my PhD during 2012. So I think I would have seen you. And all the sessions were well organized, and also the way you have communicated, the way you have made a teamwork. It's really we have to learn a lot from you people. And you have shown a video regarding Tripura. We are ready to visit there also. That is also a great thing. And all these sessions, whatever you have, your accountability also in means of by means of attendance as well as by means of this evaluation chart, everything is a great thought provoking for others to organize it too. So I congratulate the whole team of your college, Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, for this great effort. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, unmute, please.
Still, anyone is up for the feedback? You can share your feedback.
Rudvi sir, please unmute yourself.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Vadamala Prithviraj from Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. It's been an exciting session. The entire 5-day FDP program has been informative. All the guest speakers are well informative, and we are very glad to have these 5 days. We have attended all the 5 days program. Even my faculty, my colleague Abdul Sattar sir has been delighted with all the 5 guest speakers informative sessions. One sincere suggestion from my side is whatever the presentations given by the guest speakers, you people can share that in the group so that we can share to this share that sessions to my students also. Okay, that's only my sincere suggestion. Other than that, the program has been well conducted. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Still, anyone? Please unmute yourself and share your valuable feedback.
Mr. Aminul sir, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Aminul Islam. I'm working as an assistant professor in Rahman Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research in Assam, Guwahati. And I would like to thank the organizers for organizing such a great learning experience for all the faculty members over here. And I think more than 6 faculties from our institution have joined this program. And especially, I would like to thank my batch friends, Surojit and Shonak, for inviting me into this program. Thank you all. And it has been a great learning experience.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Muhammad Ishal, Assistant Professor, Nirmala College of Health Science, Chalakudi, Thrissur, Kerala. I attended all the day sessions, very wonderful sessions, and relevant also, especially for the growing teachers and mentors. All the topics are relevant. At least we can include some more what we can say. Apart from the scientific session, in these programs we can include some more like personal sections, madam. Like for it will give the limelight to mentoring and training and personal care of the students, like students teacher interaction. Small sessions we can sandwich. That's my kind of suggestion. And kindly provide the PPTs also. And the time management, what the team performed was wonderful, very nice time management, and inviting the because most of the online this type of sessions and FDPs, sometimes the attendance and the caring will be less comparatively, but differently this EFDP was very good because the following of the participants personally and in the group also, and the time to time what you can say control very good. All over the FDP was nicely arranged. Thank you so much. Thank you for the team and all the mentors and members of the team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me. Hello.
Shivam, sir, continue, please.
Yes.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
A very good afternoon to everyone of BPT College. Good afternoon to Malik sir and all the faculties and organizers of BPT. First of all, I'm very thankful to all of you for organizing such a nice FDP for all of us. The resource persons, the speakers, all the sessions, all the topics were so relevant, and the lectures that is delivered by the guest speakers was so insightful, very informative, and I get lots of information regarding the different topics. And my request is that whatever the lectures took place in this FDP, if you can share all the PPTs, then it will be very much beneficial for us. Not just for us, it will be beneficial for the student as well. And also, please, in the coming future, please organize such kind of FDPs, conferences and seminars. We would love to join these workshops and seminars. Once again, thank you so much to everyone for organizing such a nice and informative FDPs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing valuable feedback. Still, anyone is up for the feedback?
Sotik Sarkar. Please unmute.
Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I think he can't unmute himself.
Yeah. Dipankar sir, please continue.
Huh? God, please let us know if anyone is up for the feedback.
एक एरर हो गया, एक लड़का सारा पार्ट टाइम से उनको लग गया नॉट एप्लीकेबल, नॉट अलाउड, फिर उसको सही करा ले।
हाँ, हो गया।
अब फिर लास्ट क्वेश्चन कब से इसका
Pragya madam, I think we can start the formal session.
Okay, sir.
After that,
Now
if anyone
I
is
will-
interested, you can ask again. So after the speech of Biplab sir and Rajesh sir, if anyone is interested to speak, we can again start because they have to leave
Okay,
again.
sir. Okay, sir. Now I will request Dr. Ashmita Shah ma'am, Associate Professor of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology and the organizer of EFDP, to share the overview of FDP.
Good afternoon, all dignitaries and participants present in this session. I would like to thank our principal sir, Professor Dr. Shivashish Devnath, for the motivation and direction behind this 5-day EFDP started from 21st October till today. I, on behalf of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, once again welcome you all in this valedictory session. For us, these 5 days have been days of continuous learning from 5 informative and knowledgeable sessions from highly resourced persons spread over 5 days. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you. These 5 days have been days of continuous learning from 5 informative and knowledgeable sessions from highly resourced persons stretched over 5 days. We hold up the holistic development of faculties all over the country and contribute to outcome-based education with continuous intellectual development. There were more than 250 participants in this 5-day FDP program that is exploring technological advances in pharmaceutical education and research. We have majority of participants from more than 11 states such as Assam, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Chennai, and many others. International participants also participated, and we have this opportunity to host some of them international participants. Significantly, participants were from Royal Global University, Assam, Jazz University, Kolkata, JSS College of Pharmacy, UP, Bharat Technology, Kolkata. So this is an overwhelming response where the participants embrace a 5-day knowledge empowerment informative session. This FDP, with a wide range of topics, has been fruitful and useful. Thanks to all the participants as well as their affiliated organization for the overwhelming response. On behalf of the organizing team and scientific committee of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, we are grateful to the management group of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology for the all-round coordination throughout the EFDP program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The
Now
time of
I
thank you only I'm
request,
joining.
Sir will give time. Please mute. I request everybody to mute yourself. Once our formal session get over, again we will give the chance to speak. Please.
thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Professor Dr. Biplab De Sir, Professor of Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology and Secretary of Tripura Board of Pharmacy Education, to kindly share his thoughts. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Oh, yes. Now, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you. So, good afternoon to everybody. I thank you, Principal BPT, Shubhashis sir, that he has invited me for speaking something in this EFDP in the valedictory session. So, actually, in the valedictory session, what is happening? Whenever physically we are attending, that we are handing over the memento, we are handing over the certificates, etc. But in EFDP, it is not possible. However, organizers will be giving the certificates through email or through WhatsApp like this way. So actually, FDP is very much essential. FDP, which actually it is preparing faculty members for contemporary teaching methodologies. And it includes workshops, seminars, conferences, and so on to enhance the knowledges and actually to make a suitable academic environment in one institute. So here the EFDP, we may say it is a one kind of e-conference. We have shared the knowledges, we have seen our faces, we have seen the slides and etc. But what is happening physically whenever we are attending in one workshops or seminars or conferences, we are means we can gossip. After the finishing of one lecture, we can speak something, we can criticize something, we can analyze something, which is not possible in the EFDP. However, the attempt has been taken by the BPT is really appreciable. Whenever I was I was testing that whether my Zoom is working or not. So that time I have seen the one lecture was going on. It was very nice lecture. But due to my some official works, I could not attend that one. So here the teachers, particularly the teachers, have attended the EFDP. So what is the role of the teacher? Teacher, it is in my experiences, whatever is I have gathered, I feel that it is a teacher is having the role for planning, for organizing, for leading, and for controlling. These are the four rules are there for a teacher. Planning means the establishment of an objectives, preparation of units, and schedule of training. Okay. Organizing means arrangement of the learning resources, utilization of audiovisuals, etc. Leading means motivation, encouragement, and provision of stimuli to the students in the teaching learning process. And controlling, at last, it is coming the assessment, feedback, and regulation so as to realize the objective optimally. In school education, whenever we are in the school, so we have taken the we are taught by our teachers. We are taught by the teachers that how to behave and how to read out and how to write the sentences. They have made the corrections of our sentences. Now here in the pharmacy, it is a technological course, and this technological course, actually we are not going through with the technological course by correcting the sentences, verb, and etc. However, I feel that it is essential for us, though the syllabus is there, communication skill one subject is there in the B pharmacy, and some teachers are also engaged to teach themselves. However, I feel that all the pharmacy teachers who are having the background of the pharmacy and teaching the chemistry, synthesis, pharmacology, all those things, we should have some training, educational technological training. We are telling that one. So that training, sometimes it is essential. Sometimes it is essential. Once I have attended the training in Jadavpur University, and that time I have seen some engineers, professor, they have taken the classes about the educational technology. Means in the educational technology, few points are very much important. Suppose what is the components in education? What are the components? There are the actually four components are there that one to another is related. What is the objectives, learning styles, teaching strategies, and the resource generation. These four are interrelated. So whenever we wish to enter in the teaching profession, we generally follows our teacher who was favorable to us, So the thing is that, but one after that training, though, I have understood that some grammar should be there. And this grammar should be introduced for all the teachers, in pharmacy field, as I am in the pharmacy field. So I have collected something that I could not share now because I have not prepared the slide. Just I am reading that one. That the teaching learning evaluation by objectives that is connected with the learning styles, teaching strategies, and the resource generations. So the learning styles, that means the individual learning, sometimes the small groups learning, and the group dynamics. So and the resource generation, projected aids, video, we can show the video, electronic aids, computers, and non-projected aids we can utilize. In teaching strategies, the student-centered strategy we can fix, interactive centered we can fix, and another one is the teacher-centered. So here this FDP is nothing but it is a teacher-centered strategies we are fixing. Okay, here the FDP, what it is meaning. Now the next I want to share, that is about the domains, the level of the domains. Okay, so domain generally there are the two type of the domains are there. One is the cognitive domains and another one is the psychomotor domains. Cognitive domains means it is containing the knowing, then the comprehension, application, analysis, and the synthesis. Knowing, suppose we are asking the question also, define. Then we are telling level it. Then we are telling list out. Then we are telling name there and name the scientific name. Write down the scientific name like this thing. Then sometimes we are telling the recognize the wrong sentence. So it is coming the knowing. So this is one of the domain, that is the knowing, coming under the knowing. Then it is coming the comprehension. Comprehension, that means suppose we are asking compare, comparison. Then convert one to another, the conversion. In the chemistry generally it is coming. Then the distinguish, draw, explain, formulate, give example, identify, illustrate, correlate. So these things are coming under the comprehension domain. Under the application it is coming calculate, then compute, then it is coming the find, prepare, select, solve, solve, then it is coming the use, analysis it is coming, differentiate, then it is coming the compare, contrast, separate, and sequence. Synthesis, under that it is coming, classify, combine, then the compile, compose, construct, create, derive, devise, like this. Evaluation, it is coming, criticize, decide, evaluate, charge, justify, predict, like this way. These are the domains are coming, some areas. Psychomotor domains, there are the three types of the psychomotor domains are there: low level, medium level, and high level. So low level, that means connect, then the dissemble, then the draw, replace, imitate, repeat, like this. Medium level, that means assemble, locate fault, operate, perform, repair, install. Then under the high level, it is coming design, construct, create, simulate, then improvise and investigate. So these are the few domains are there that we can follow in teaching. Elaborately, I cannot go through because it is a valedictory session. I should not go much more. Otherwise, FDP, whatever the arrangement has been taken place by the BPT is a very nice one. EFDP, maybe the EFDP. Then also the sharing of the knowledges are there. And for that purpose, the BPT, whatever the arrangement has done from the various corner, from the faculties from the various corner of the India, they have participated. They have gathered the knowledge, and they will obviously they will be applying for teaching their students and in the research field. So what to say? So this much from my side. I thank you very much again, organizers and the principal sir of BPT, that he has invited me to speak something in this valedictory session. And I wish all the best to all the teachers. Have a good health, good thinking, and do something good for the society. Thank you.
Madam, please unmute.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now, I request Dr. Rajat Ghosh, sir, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmacy in Tripura University and the President of FTTI Tripura, to kindly share your thoughts.
Thank you. Thank you, Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, for giving this opportunity and invite me in this 5 days online faculty development program. I would like to say thanks to Principal Professor Devnath to keeping such kind of idea in his mind that online faculty development program, if they are going to conduct, they can reach as much as possible to the number of the participants can be increased, because physically it's not possible for all the faculty members in this at the end of this year, when the semester's exam will be there, I think within 10 or 15, 20 days. So if online faculty development program will be organized, then it will be easy for each and everyone to participate. And mostly the people those have taken part in this 5 days program, I would like to tell them, if they have been able to extract the motto behind this, which has been kept the Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology Institute, their intention behind this program, then it will be successful. And mostly during our my initial career, I have started in industry, and then I have joined in Tripura University in 2011. So after joining, we have got the opportunity to go for the orientation and refresher courses, which is essential for all the faculty members, because such kind of programs is going to boost your knowledge in your field, where we are working and how we have to deal with the students. And definitely, I think all the participants, they have been able to learn in these 5 days the way people have taken their delivered their lectures. They have been able to take those ideas behind this teaching and the research. Hopefully, we all would like to say that it will be like this, that if the faculty members will be ready, they can only that time they can keep ready their students for the society. Until or unless what will happen, if we are not going for ourselves that to keep updated, we will not be able to deliver to our students. Because nowadays we are finding out that is really competitive situation is going on, because AI has been introduced in so many cases. So until or unless we are not going to keep ourselves updated, we will not be able to deliver to our students the best of whatever thing is going on in this particular profession. Now, mostly people, I know that so many students are they are using AI tools for getting much more informations, and that's true, because it will be helpful in coming days. The scenario will be changed, and at the same time, lots of things. I think we are also, as a teacher, we are also trying to learn every day, because whenever new chapters or new dimension of the pharmacy or the science is going to be open, it is always necessary for the faculty members to learn such kind of new field. Until or unless, it will not be possible. My earlier speaker, Professor De, Biplab De, he has told very nicely the things which he has actually wanted to share with you people, that what will be the role of teachers. So during our orientation courses, we have seen there was one micro teaching. So micro teaching means that your lecture will be recorded, and afterwards, minutely, it will be discussed that what type of modification or innovation, what type of changes you people can do. Nowadays, because he has emphasized one thing, that in physical mode faculty development program, earlier days it was there. Definitely, nowadays after COVID, it has been changed. But whenever you people are going to attend such kind of faculty development programs, we are going to create relationships in in a way of, you can say that we can go to enhance our knowledge in the teaching as well as in the field of research. So research collaboration also going to be enhanced whenever we are going to attend such kind of faculty development program physically, and then we are going to find it our new friends and colleagues. And definitely, I hope all the people and the participants, those have joined here in this 5 days program, they have learned so many things. And now is their responsibility, the knowledge which one they have been able to take it from this program, they will try to implement in their teaching as well as in research, for the benefit of their profession as well as for their students. With these few words, I'd like to say thanks and all the best, and congratulations to all the participants who have joined these programs. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now, again, we are open to receive feedbacks from our participants. So if you have any feedback regarding the discussion, you can share.
So one thing, yeah, Principal sir, just I seek your permission to leave the meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
for joining.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Radha sir. I am leaving.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, I request the participant to kindly switch on the video so that we can take a picture for the purpose of attendance. It's not coming. Sir, sir. There is some issue. There is some issue.
Pragya ma'am, it is done.
Yes, sir, there is some technical issue. Thank you. Now I request Dr. Professor Shubhashish Devnath sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay. Thank you, Praga. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much, and especially thanks to all the participants, because you people actually made this program a successful one. So starting this session, first of all, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Biplab De sir, who is a professor of RIPSET and also Secretary Tripura Board of Pharmacy Education. I would also like to express my thanks to Dr. Rajat Ghosh sir. He is an assistant professor at Tripura University and also president of FETI Tripura State Branch, for their kind time and also saying very important and valuable words during this valedictory session. Especially, I have taken this vote of thanks. I may give it to someone else, but then also I have taken the session because I should say thanks to many of the members of BPT, because they are the people actually those who have made this event what successful. If I give the job to Shantanu sir or Sundirmal sir, they will thank me. But actually, I am a very negligible source. They are the people those who have done. So that's why I thought I should give the vote of thanks, because I should also express my gratitude to all the uh, effective and efficient faculty members of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Shantanu Mullik sir and also Mr. Sunirmal Bhattacharya as a co-convener of this event, and for all their time, all the technical support they have given for everything, whatever they have done. And really, it is a really very tremendous job by both of you. And the support you have given to the whole team will really help the BPT and the family to grow. I'm really very much happy. In the chat box, all are writing the team BPT or the organizing team. Thanks to the team. Really, that is the greatness of our college, that we all work together, and that is the way. This is the way actually the faculty members they are working. I would also specially thanks Dr. Ashmita Shaha madam, who was taking care of the sessions, all the sessions, calling all the speakers, getting their biodatas, okay, change of the schedule, change of the date, time, many, many things. But madam had handled all the things. Thank you, madam. Tremendous talented Mr. Santosh Ganguly. Okay, so for anything, whatever the help I need, I will call Ganguly sir only. Sir, this is the problem. This you have to do. That you have to do. And without any word, sir has supported everything, and you have seen how he was supporting in your chat box. So thank you, Santosh Ganguly sir, for such a great help. I would also like to thank our beautiful and handsome moderator, Ms. Pragya Dutta, and also Mr. Arnav Majumdar. They have done a tremendous job for last 5 days, adjusting their classes, exam preparation, and also taking classes, and after that adjusting all the things for moderating all the sessions. Thank you, Arnab sir and also Pragya madam, for such a wonderful work, and also taking extra load for this. The backman behind, okay, we say IT team. Okay, the IT team was actually handled by one person, ER Dibakar Devnath sir. So he has also done a wonderful job showing the video, sharing the PPTs, sharing all the things. And thank you, Mr. Dibakar Devnath sir, for such a wonderful job. Really, you have done a good thing. Back of this, all the faculty members of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology.
Yes. Video one. Okay, okay. Awesome.
May we proceed, sir?
Yes, sorry, there was some internet issues. So all the faculty members, I am really thankful. I also specially express my thanks to Principal Ripset, MIPS Udaipur, Bir Vikram College of Pharmacy, Khayarpur, and HOD Pharmacy Tripura University for their kind cooperation during the event. Especially, very specially, all the participants and the various principals and the management, those who have allowed them to attend this event, and also our management. Actually, when we have thought that we will start this session, for anything, they didn't ask anything. Okay, just you have to buy the platform, Zoom platform, buy it. Okay, no, not asking that how many registration, how much you have gained. Then only we will spend. Okay, so for Zoom only we have spent it near about 21,000. Okay, so like this, for management has supported us like anything. So that's why I would like to convey our heartful thanks to Dr. Anjali Devnath madam, who is the chairman of our society, Mr. Rahul Devnath sir, who is a director of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, Mr. Shanti Devnath, who is acting as an administrative officer of Bharat Pharmaceutical Technology, and all the members, those who have connected to make this event a great one. Thank you very much to all the participants again, and we are really very much thankful. From Northeast State, Tripura, most of the people that doesn't know that there is a state belongs to the Northeast State. That's why we thought of showcasing the various tourist place. Soon we'll organize some physical event also, and I request all the participants from South, North, please visit Tripura, and Northeast is really a very beautiful place. You will never see such beauty in any other part of India. the tribal population, and also the beautiful natural views that you will find out here. So please come and join during our physical session also, we'll inform. And in future, we will also try to do more and more online events, and hoping that all of you will give the same support and cooperation during this. So thank you for all the things, and we express our sorry if anything mistake we have done from our side throughout these 5 days. So please excuse, because this is the first time the team VPT is organizing an EFDP, and maybe there are some minor mistakes and all. So please excuse for that, and thank you again for your kind cooperation and joining. Over to
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Pragya Madam.
Thank you, sir. As we move towards the closing of our program, we would like to honor our nation by playing national anthem. Let us all stand in respect as we play the national anthem.
मैं तो पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ 40 कैसे हुई हो 30-40 की स्पीड में एयर में डाल दूंगा
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
चला के देखिएगा
Thank you. Stepping to the successful end of our EFDP, I would like to take a moment to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants. Your presence, enthusiasm, and contribution throughout this program is truly remarkable. Your evaluation and feedback link will be provided in the WhatsApp group within 3 p.m. and you are requested to submit it within today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
नमाज पढ़ने गए हैं आने वाले होते हैं